Hello dear students, a very good morning to you. Okay, after your first examinations, first cap of your examinations, this is your first class today I am going to take you. Okay, तो आप लोग का एग्ज़ाम कैसे रहे? How was your exam? All of you, I hope you doing well. And today I am going to continue after the class which we have finished in your first CAPE examinations, because in our first CAPE examinations we have given you the from lessons number 1 to 4, isn't it? Okay, 5 a little bit I have already taught you, but the lessons 5 is not given in your first CAPE examinations. Today we are going to discuss with your chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is footprints. Okay, so let's going to discuss the next chapters, because in our upcoming sessions we have another examination. Not only examination purpose, we need to finish our syllabus first. Moreover, we need to revise, learn and clear so that in the class 2 what we have learned we need to review. Okay, it is very much important for all of you as well as for me too, and what you have learned from me. Okay, isn't it? So because all the classes going online, I need to just interact you how much then what is your understanding level, how it is going on. Okay, so dear students, so these are the things you and me need to clear, that I can clearly delivers, और मैं अच्छी तरफ से आप लोग को जो डिलीवर कर पा रहा हूँ कि नहीं. इज दैट इट? दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. आप लोग को कंसेप्ट पहले गेन करना है. सो चैप्टर इज नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. चैप्टर ओनली फिनिश करने से नहीं होता है. दैट मीन्स only the finishing the chapters and doing workbook, it is not the things. Okay, so I think मैं जो chapter यहाँ पे करा रहा हूँ footprints, so first of all you need to gain the concepts. Okay, here the chapter is named the footprints. Footprints, that means anything that in your footprint, my footprint, your parents footprint, your friends footprint. Okay, whenever there is a rainy season, we have seen that in our playground generally after the rain the mitti ढीला हो जाता है, isn't it? So here we have seen that lots of footprints are there. Okay, the footprints maybe in your footprint is smaller, my footprint is bigger, and any other like in our surrounding thing, animals. Just I am trying to draw a footprint. This is a footprint of animals. Here you have seen animals footprints. I am just trying to draw animals footprints, that is elephant. Okay, so it is not like just exactly like elephant. Okay, just I am trying to draw this. So footprint, that means generally these chapters indicate the sign, the shapes and the size, or not only the footprints and in our surrounding things, like daily our life. Potato, daily we have eaten potato in our whether it is breakfast, lunch or dinner part, potato is all there, isn't it? Potato is a common thing for us. The shape, size of the potato, can you imagine that? The round in size, not exactly round, and some type of oval in shape, isn't it? Same thing like egg also like an shape is just like not exactly round but oval shapes, isn't it? And another things like lettuce fingers, it is long, round in shape, isn't it? Long and round. And other things like pumpkin is a big, just like a football, not exactly round like a football. So these are the vegetable sound things and the shape that you need to imagine. Okay, and other things like in your study materials, already we have discussed lots of things about this study materials. Your geometry box, your ruler or scale, your pencil, your erasers, your copy, your notebook, your decks, your bands, your drinking water bottle. So these are the different types of shapes we have seen. Okay, so we need to understand the shape is exactly what is like the shape is. Okay, just like for example your drinking water, your bottle, drinking water bottle. So bottle just like round and long in shape, isn't it? So these are the drinking, just I am trying to draw a drinking water bottle. Okay Okay, this one a drinking water bottle for you. Here you have seen it is a long round in shape. The upper part is here, the cap is bottle cap is different, isn't it? Just like my drinking water bottle, dear students. It is, you have seen the upper part, the bottle cap is round in shapes. That is exactly in round. So these are in the hollow part because the bottle needs to be hollow, because here the water you have preserved or water you have to stock here, isn't it? So and bottom part is here you have seen flat in shape exactly, because if it doesn't flat it cannot stand, isn't it? So it needs to be flat. The upper part is just like a round in shapes, and just like a round in shapes. And some other also things like dusters is just like flat in shapes. Already we have in our previous class 1 we have found that some things are rolling, some things are sliding. Which things are rolling and which things are sliding? Generally rolling things are the round in shapes, okay, and the sliding things are flat in shapes. In your geometry box, like it is all sides are flat in shapes. A geometry box has 6 sides and all sides are flat in shapes. If we slide, if we just like geometry box, and moving to another part, it is slidings, and for another things just like rolling things. Which one part? In our playground you have seen the cricket ball, football, these are the exactly round in shape. These things are generally rolling, okay. If it is not rolling, it is difficult for us to play, isn't it? So some things needs to be rolled, and for our for example your parents, yeah, we have seen all you have in your home at car का जो ये that means दो ये होता है जो सर्कल, जस्ट लाइक इट इज राउंड शेप्स, ये रोलिंग होता है. एंड अदर थिंग्स लाइक for example pencil, in your geometry box pencil is also rolling as well as sliding. So these things are we have already found in our class 1 chapters, okay. Now that's part here, the footprint chapters generally indicate that the what type of shape these are the things exactly like this, okay. And in these chapters now we only need to discuss the in 2D shapes. 2D shape, that means just like it doesn't in hollow or it doesn't occupy a space in a open ground, okay. The 2D shapes we need to discuss. Let's first 2D shapes, okay. Okay, dear students, I'm just trying to here drawing some shapes. Just you can see and imagine what type of shape is this. Okay, let's try to do it. Shapes, this one, number 1, number 2, this one, number 3, this one. Number 3 is exactly like this one, but here we have seen some part is long and some part is short. In the number 2 upper part, all sides are equivalent shapes. In number 1 part, here we have seen only 3 sides are there. 2 and 3, 4 sides are there. And number 4, circle, okay. Number 5, okay, that is number 5, okay. Let's draw in upper part, okay. Number 5, let's draw here. Number 5, number 5. Okay, number 6. Okay, dear students, I am drawing some shapes here. You have seen that number 1 part, all are this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 6. All other shapes are closed in figures, because here we have seen the all other shapes are closed in figures. Some shapes are 3 sides, some shapes have 1 side, 4 sides, some shapes have round in shape, no size. Here we have seen some shapes are oval in shapes, and this one is just like this shapes. Okay, let's discuss what type of shape of this and what is the features or what is the corners and what the name of the shapes like this. Okay, so this chapter generally trying to indicate or introduce the following shapes in your mind. First we need to discuss these shapes, and later part the objects like in football, potato, whether it is playing things, whether it is your starting material, whether it is your other things like vegetables or any other part or any other things in our surrounding area. So all other shapes just like falling under these shapes. Okay, so we need to understand the first of the shapes, and later part we clearly observe under which category the things or the object is falling. Okay, under these shapes. Okay, let's discuss first number 1 shapes. This is a closed shape on the 3 sides of shapes. What the name of these shapes? Can you imagine, or anyone can? It is 3 sides of shapes. All sides are may not be equal, may be equal, may not be equal. Okay, it is not important that all sides must be equal. It is a closed shapes and 3 sides. It is naming as, in our term or in our mathematics, it is named as triangle. Triangle. Yes, dear student, it is called a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides only. Okay, so you can draw any type of triangle, only 3 sides exist in a triangle. Okay, 3 sides are there in a triangle, and also 3 corners are there. Whenever there is a maximum 3 sides, maximum 4 side, maximum 5 side, these are some different types of shapes in our geometrical or in our mathematical or in our maths magic books. Okay, so this is called in triangle. In our mathematical terms, it is called triangle. Iska kitna sides hai? It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay, the students, it has 3 sides and 3 corners, and all sides are here. You have seen this side and this side. All sides are straight in shape. Okay, all sides are straight, S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. All sides are straight in shapes. So this is called triangle. Whenever there is a 3 sides, 3 close shape of a size, it is called a triangle. Mind it, it is called a triangle. A triangle has only 3 sides and 3 corners, and all sides are straight in shape. The shape is also important. All sides are straight. Okay, let's go to the second part. Here number 2. Here it is a 4-sided shape. So you have seen 4-sided shape, and all sides are here seems to be equal. Yes, all sides are here. We have found that all sides are equal. That means this side, this side, this side, this side, and all sides are equal. Whenever all sides are equal, it is called a square in shape. It is a closed figure and it is called square, S-Q-U-A-R-E. I am just trying to write it in capital letters. Okay, it is a 4-sided shape, 4-sided closed shape, and it is called as square. Okay, so it has 4 sides. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Also it has 4 sides here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-sided, and 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 4 corners are there. And here it is also, as the earlier one, it is also as a straight in shape. All other shape are straight. All other shapes are straight. Okay, it is called as squares. Mind it, squares all sides are equal, but a triangle all sides are may be equal or may not be equal, because a triangle there are different types of triangles. So okay, we will discuss it will in later or in your next classes. Okay, class 3, not only next classes, that means not the next class lessons. It is in the upper classes. Okay, it is not important for you to types or classify the shapes. Okay, so just we need to introduce some shapes. We are starting this type of shapes. Okay, a square, triangle, and number 3 part. Here it is. Here we have seen that it is also just like a square, but the squares all sides are equal, but this portions or this shape is not equal all sides because it has a length and it has a breadth. That means opposite sides are equal only these shapes. Okay, this is also a closed 4-sided shape. It is called as rectangle. Okay, dear student, it is called as rectangle. RECTANGLE. It is called as rectangle. Rectangle का only opposite sides are equals होता है. It has also 4 sides and 4 corners. जब भी ये 4 sided रहेगा 4 corners रहेगा. Mind it, dear students. Okay, the 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4 corners. And it is also all sides are straight in shape. Okay, all sides are straight in shape. These things fall in the category of first 3-sided shape. This is called triangle. Second one square, 4-sided shape, 4 corners. Also it is a straight in shapes, and rectangle is also a 4-sided 4 corner shape, and it is also a straight in shapes. But the number 4 shape or number 4 part is different from other 3 parts. It is also a closed figure shapes, but it has no sides. Here you have seen it has only one side. Okay, its features is one side, but it is not straight in shape. ये straight नहीं है. These things are called, yes, anyone can say, these things are called curved in shape. Yes, dear student, it is only one-sided shape, one-sided curved, CURVED, curved in shape. Okay, mind it, dear student, it is only a one-sided curved in shape. It has no sides. No sides, not that means not that no sides, no corners. It has no corner. Side is one. Which one is curved in shape? Side is only one. It is called a one-sided curved shape. No corners are there, and it is called circle. CIRCLE. The name of the shape is called circle. CIRCLE. Clear? It is called circle. A circle has only one-sided curved shape and it has no corners. Clear? Okay. Number 5. Number 5 shape is just look like an egg. Okay, is that it? It is just look like an egg. Egg कैसा होता है? हम लोग daily egg खाते हैं. Is that it? Not daily, but frequently we have eaten egg. It is an egg-shaped shape. It is called oval in shape. Okay, oval in shape. It has also no corner, but only one side curved shaped. Only one side curved shape. Okay, only one side. This one is called curved shape. Only one-sided curved shape. So this is an oval. Okay, it is also a closed figure. And number 6 part, I am just draw this. This portion is just like this triangle. Okay, this portion you have seen the front part. Actually, it is not a 2D shape. It is a 3D shape. It is called in geometrical figure as cone. Okay, I am naming it right now. We will discuss it later period briefly about this portions. Okay, it is a cone and a hollow in shape. Just whenever Christmas is coming, the Santa Claus wearing a cape, is that it? The cone is just like this cape, the shape, size exactly like this shape, but here some design will be available whenever the Santa Claus जो cape पहनता है, is that it? Some designs are there. Okay, so dear students, we have already found this type of shapes are there. These shapes are triangle, square, rectangle, circle, where it is a one-sided curved in shapes, no corner are there, oval, cone. Okay, so these are the important shapes we have found. In the first part or second part, I am just reminding you, we have found also this type of shapes, isn't it? Also some type of cube, cuboid, and sphere is also a holotype 3D shapes. It occupies a space in our surrounding area, but these things are only 2D shapes. Okay, 2D shapes are just for drawing. Okay, 3D shapes we can also draw, but these things are occupies in space, just like a Justus is just like a cuboid. It occupies space in our open side. Okay, ये space occupy करते हैं और just like a cuboid. So dear students, whenever in our mind you have seen that like this is a house, just a hut type house you have seen. So you have seen these things are here, the upper part above, which one is above, this is just like a shape of triangle, isn't it? And this one is just like a shape of square. So therefore it is important to first clearly understand what type of shape is this. And the student, I am just introducing this type of shape today. I will discuss it in the second part of this chapter also, not finished yet. Okay, part 2 part 2 video of this same chapters will come, and later part we will discuss also from the workbook part, and also some other important features. और इस शेप से हम लोग क्या क्या ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, how many shapes are hidden, also in your not only on the exam purpose. I am already telling you that we are not learning about only the exam purpose. The only earning or scoring good marks is not our motive, isn't it? So we need to gain the concept first. So dear students, मैं slowly जाऊँगा और clearly तुम लोग को समझाने के लिए कोशिश करूँगा, and later part इस चैप्टर की और एक वीडियो बनेगा, that is part 2 of the same chapter, that is footprint, combining from my part also. मैं बाहर से कुछ और भी जो ऐड कर पाऊँगा मैं ऐड कर दूँगा, and from also your workbook part also. ठीक है dear students? Okay, hopefully dear students, this type of shape you have seen already earlier and familiar of the shapes, and just remind you that these things are 3-sided, 3 corner, 4-sided, 4 corner, all sided equal in square in shape, rectangle only opposite sides are equal, a circle is an carved in shape, only one side is there carved in shape, no corner in the circle, same as it is in the oval, only one side is there, that is carved in shape, no corner is there, and cone is just like a front side is just like a triangle. So you need to remind these things just once. Okay, so dear students, I am ending today's class. Hopefully you enjoyed today's class, and we will meet you again. Thank you for today's class. Have a nice day.